journey from Narita Airport to the train station.
In this video, you will see the overall journey from the Narita Airport departure and access route to the train station. Once you finish your immigration process, you will be landed to arrival lobby. There are two arrival lobbies, A and B. Go straight ahead following the signboards. There are many ways to go to Tokyo from Narita Airport, such as bus, taxi or train. The easiest and convenient way is via train. You will find some resting chairs, clean toilet facilities on your way. Feel relaxed and step to your journey. This arrival lobby is in second floor and need to go to basement floor for the train station. Follow this train sign as shown here for train station. Take this long escalator and relax for a while. You can either choose elevator, escalator or even stairs to arrive basement floor. I will guide you from escalator.
The speed of the escalator is slow, thus you will feel taking some rest. Take left to approach the train station. Follow the signal ahead. Be careful in this lobby as there will be crowded with passengers. Feel safe and move slowly. You can find numbers of signals for the train station. Follow the signal to arrive to the train station. After walking few steps, you can see various service counters such as travel service counter, Skyliner train information station just in front of train station intricate. Now you will arrive to the ticket counter for Skyliner train and Keisei line. You can go to Tokyo by Skyliner train or Keisei line. Skyliner train is sophisticated train with spacious seat but is expensive. On the other hand, you can also take local Keisei line and experience local locomotive and is in your budget. This is your ticket gate. Tap your Suica in this blue area to enter. If you feel any difficulties, do consult with the staffs. They are ready for your help. Follow this platform 1 for the Skyliner. This is a train for Skyliner. You can enjoy and make yourself comfortable inside the train. For the Keisei line, you need to go straight ahead to platform number 3. You need a special ticket for the Skyliner and can get it at the ticket counter. However, for the Keisei line, simply the Suica will work. Suica is a prepaid digital wallet card which can be used for shopping, commuting, and many more. You will encounter another ticket gate and need to pass through to enter the main Keisei line. Likewise, previous ticket gate, tap your Suica in the blue area and get in. Follow the platform number 3 and take escalator to arrive the platform number 3. Take deep breath and get relaxed. On the left hand side, you can find the platform number 3, the gateway for the Keisei line. This is a Keisei line bound for Ueno. Wait at the yellow line and get inside the train after the train door opens. Search a vacant seat, relax, and wait for the departure. After the departure, you can enjoy the beauty of Narita from the window. Enjoy the view and move ahead to your destination. Enjoy your trip to Japan.